Unit 15. Jim is trying to help.
I must wash up now.
Can I help you?
Yes, darling. I'm in a hurry this morning.
Why? It's Sunday.
I want to see Mrs. Anderson this morning.
The neighbor next door?
Yes, she was not well yesterday.
What's the matter with Mrs. Anderson?
She has a bad cold. She's a good neighbor. I want to see if I can help. Here, darling, put the cups and saucers in the sink.
Where can I put the coffee pot and the milk jug?
Put the coffee pot on the stove and the milk jug in the refrigerator.
Where is the soap?
Never mind. I can wash up when I come back.
Are you bringing the forks and knives?
Yes, I am bringing the spoons too. Put the plates on the sink, dear. Oh, Jim, what are you doing?
I am washing the coffee pot.
But, Jim, there was coffee in it.
Was there? I'm sorry.
Look out! Oh, look at that. My beautiful milk jug. It was new. It was brand new.
Gee, I'm sorry, darling.
Oh, go and read your paper. A man is no good in the kitchen.
Okay. Take it easy. I was just trying to help.
In the kitchen. Stove, refrigerator, sink, tap, faucet, plate, cup, saucer, coffee pot, teapot, butter dish, sugar bowl, fork, spoon, one knife, two knives, tablecloth, napkin, bread basket, breadboard, bread knife,